Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade fish rolls without an oven. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder plus another 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, making 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything together until it is well combined. Then go on with adding your margarine. Add 4.5 tablespoons of margarine. But if you don't have margarine, you can use butter. So mix them together until the margarine or butter is well combined with the dry ingredients. Please, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. What next now is to add water. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water, but I will not add it at once. I'm going to be adding it gradually. Then mix it until a dough is formed. So, for the measurement of this recipe, I'm going to be dropping it in the description box. And if you have any question at all, feel free to drop it in the comment section.
You bring me down.
So, after everything is well combined, I transfer it to the wall surface and knead it for about 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth.
For all to see. Then switch it up.
So after that, I transfer the dough to a bowl, then cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes. So this is the fish that I'm going to be using for the filling. So this is the result after 5 minutes. I sprinkle my wall surface with a little flour, then divided the dough into 2 and transfer one part of the dough to the wall surface. Then use my hands to stretch it a little, so I will be able to roll it out very well. Then I roll it out as much as possible, not too thin and not too thick. If you've watched this video to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly support me by hitting the subscribe button. So after that, I cut it into a rectangular shape.
And treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain.
Then carefully add my fish and wrap it tightly.
I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows.
After that, I use water to brush the edges, then use my hands to press it together.
You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please
Then I cut it into 6 equal sizes.
let me be. But I love what you do to me.
So this is what I'm going to be using to bake it. I've already rubbed it with groundnut oil. I arrange my fish roll in it and brush it with egg yolk. After that, I add 2 cups of salt in a pot and preheat it for about 10 minutes before adding my fish roll. Then I bake it on a low heat for about 40 minutes. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my baking tutorials. Thanks for watching.